Adam's families. God blessed them, and God said to them, "Be fruitful, multiply, fill the earth, and subdue it." Genesis 1:28. God lovingly created and highly honors the institution of family, both physically and spiritually. He has uniquely designed marriage with all the elements for adding and multiplying families. One of his great purposes of marriage is the leaving and cleaving that forms a new family union, forged by the union of a man and a woman from two different homes. Marriage is also the God-ordained environment to multiply and reproduce life through the bearing and raising of children. Married love comes with built-in construction and expansion plans, initiated by the one who desires for us to give him godly offspring through our love for one another. This new family you've originated in marriage is not simply a foundational building block of society. Your union and your children are a testimony to the living God who continues to add and multiply his blessings on earthly families that will expand his heavenly family. Go deeper. Read Genesis 1:26 through 28 and see what God's first commandment was to men and women. Do you see your marriage and children as a living witness of God's goodness? Has he not given you life itself? Does your worldview need to be altered to reflect the value he has given to you and your family?